Colorful trucks. Let's see what's inside. Red truck. What's inside? It's jiggly. What is it? Pudding. Orange truck. What's inside? It's cold and sweet. What is it? Ice cream. Yellow truck. What's inside? Let's eat it at a party. What is it? Cake. Purple truck. What's inside? It has a hole in the middle. What is it? Donut. Green truck. What's inside? It's crunchy. What is it? Cookie. Pink truck. What's inside? It's brown and yummy. What is it? Chocolate. Blue truck. What's inside? It's on a stick. What is it? Lollipop. Good job. Let's say it again. Pudding. Pudding. Ice cream. Ice cream. Cake. Cake. Donut. Donut. Cookie. Cookie. Chocolate. Chocolate. Lollipop. Lollipop. Good job. Which one do you like? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.